Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to make labels in Google Docs. So over here at the top, you want to click on extensions, then click on add-ons, click on get add-ons. Then in the search bar, you want to search for labels. Then you want to download this specific extension, so just click on install. Then you want to go ahead and connect your account. And after that, just click on done. Then close the window. Now you're going to click on extensions again. Then you're going to click on the extension that you've downloaded and then click on create labels. Then over here at label template, you're going to click on it. Then you just want to go ahead and choose your label template, but I'm just going to use this first one just for the example. Then click on use. Then after that, you're going to click on the first cell and then you just want to go ahead and make your labels and make your own formatting, whatever you need to make a label for. And after you've made your label, just click on create labels over here. Then after a few seconds, just click on open document and it will open a new tab and your labels are now ready. You just go ahead and save it and print it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.